Once upon a time, in a small town named Sunnyville, lived a little girl named Lily. She had a magical raincoat, sparkling with every color of the rainbow. One day, something unusual happened. Lily woke up feeling sad for no reason. She looked at her colorful raincoat, but it seemed dull and lifeless. Lily walked outside, her steps heavy with her sadness. She looked around, but the sunny town seemed gray and dull. She sat down on a bench, feeling even sadder. Suddenly, she heard a soft whisper, "Why so sad, dear Lily?" It was her magical raincoat, talking to her. Lily looked at it, surprised. "I don't know," Lily replied, her voice trembling a little. "Everything just looks so dull and gray today." Her raincoat wrapped around her, and it said, "Let's try something, Lily. Close your eyes and think of something that makes you happy." Lily closed her eyes and thought of her favorite ice cream, her cat Purr, and her best friend Mia. When she opened her eyes, she saw her raincoat shimmering with brighter colors than ever before. "Wow!" Lily exclaimed, her eyes wide with surprise. "My raincoat is beautiful again." "That's because you let in the light, Lily," her raincoat said. "Remember, when you're feeling sad, think about the things that make you happy, and let them shine through." From that day on, Lily always remembered to let her happiness shine, even on the cloudiest days. And her raincoat, sparkling with every color of the rainbow, was a constant reminder of the power of happiness. So, whenever you're feeling sad, think about the things that make you happy. Let them shine, just like Lily's magical raincoat, and you'll find that even the darkest days can be a little brighter. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with rainbows and happiness.